Imagine you're walking in a big mystery land called Magnetville. In this land, stones can pull you closer or push you away without even touching you. Sounds magical, right? Well, that's what magnets are like in our world. Magnets are objects that produce an area of magnetic force that can attract or repel certain materials, especially metals like iron. Curiously, magnets have two ends, which we call poles: the North Pole and the South Pole. These poles are like two powerful friends who either want to be together or stay apart. When you bring the North Pole of one magnet close to the South Pole of another magnet, they attract, just like best friends hugging. But if you try to put two North Poles or two South Poles together, they push each other away, like when you and your friend try to reach for the same toy at once. But how did we discover such magical tools? Long ago, people found a mysterious rock called lodestone, which naturally attracts iron. Curious people from ancient Greece and China began exploring this phenomenon. They noticed that when a lodestone is allowed to spin freely, it always points toward the North Star. This amazing discovery was the beginning of our understanding of magnets. Now, onto how magnets work. It all has to do with tiny particles called atoms. Think of atoms like tiny spinning tops, spinning very fast within objects. In most materials, these little spinning tops point in all directions, making them magnetically neutral. But in magnets, a lot of these little tops are perfectly aligned, all pointing the same way. This alignment of atoms creates an invisible force field, called a magnetic field, that can pull or push on other things. Imagine you are standing with a group of friends, all pointing their arms in the same direction while spinning around quickly. If another group of people comes along and their arms are pointing the opposite way, you might push them away with your spinning arms. That's a bit like how a magnetic field works. So, next time you play with a magnet, remember that you're holding a piece of the invisible magic of Magnetville, where tiny particles work together to create the push and pull forces. These forces help in so many technologies today, from compasses to MRI machines in hospitals. Who would have thought that such tiny forces could have such a big impact on our world?